Coherent mind creates coherent body. What does mean by coherence? Coherence is synchronicity. Synchronicity is like working in unison, working together with such a similar energy. I will give you an example. Once, Dr. Raghunath Mashelkar, who is a great scientist, has told his story to me, and in his lifetime, when he was in ninth standard in a school, he got failed in mathematics, and he was very nervous. He was sitting on one desk, and one teacher came to him, the teacher of science, and asked Raghunath, why you are sad. Raghunath said, sir, I am very poor. I have failed in maths. I don't have money to give to school again to pay my fees. So I'm feeling very sad. Then the teacher told him, which changed his life. The teacher told him, Raghunath, you have all the power inside your mind. Just focus that power. And while telling this, he took him to the scientist lab. And in that school lab, he showed that sunglass. He showed that sunglass and said him, if we are not having a focus, that sun rays, they do not become coherent, and it cannot create the power. But if we focus the sunglass on a paper, and that suppose all the rays are coherent and they gather the energy together, they can burn the paper. That gave a flash to Raghunath Mashelkar sir, and that spark changed his life. He said me, Manisha, if that incident wouldn't happened, I wouldn't have tapped my energy, because my teacher told me I can do anything, and I can do anything made me so much confident. And in a sense, I would say that all his brain waves become coherent. When our mind and our brain goes in one direction, then we get a more and more success. Otherwise, if our brain is logical brain is going in one direction, and the mind is going in another direction, it is like talking in one direction and shoes are in another direction. It's like that. So this is going to create a split of energy. If you do not want the split of energy, then you must cultivate the coherent atmosphere. And what will create the synchronicity? Synchronicity is creating the whole power. That power is so much continuous, that power is so intense, that wherever you will go, people will notice you. People will feel that some energy bundles are there. Like, so how you can create that? For that, you must be very clear headed, and you must avoid procrastination. You must have a goal setting. You must have that passion for that. Don't do anything which you don't love. If you are doing it just for the sake of doing, ultimately you are not using your energy 100%. So do what you like the most and use your 100% energy, and you will get 100% result. Many people fail in their fields just because they are not putting their 100%. They are not finding the way to be coherent. And if they are not able to find the way to be coherent, then their energy is split. And split energy cannot give you 100% success. So for the 100% success or any kind of achievement, we have to have our brain waves and mind in a coherent state. Coherent means working in unison. All brain waves, they work in unison. They fire together, they wire together, and together they become more and more strength. But if they split, their energy is split. Always remember, when you are having a, and the most important thing I would like to say is that our brains are wired to think negatively. And why? Because from like stone age, we are having so much distractions, so much stress. Cortisol levels are so high for the survival mode. And so to survive ourselves, our brain always needs to be on a constant toe. So if we are having that kind of a situation, we are carrying that from thousands of years, we must change that now, because the situations and circumstances are now different. We are not having a instant kind of a attack on us or instant kind of a threat to us. But if you are perceiving that threat without having it, it is an illusion. We have to clear that illusion. Unless and until we can clear that fear or clear that illusion and keep faith on ourselves, we cannot create the coherent brain waves. Creating coherent brain waves is as if tapping your whole potential. It is like the candle is burning with the full flame. It is like the fountain is having a whole energy in it. So it's like a getting a 1,000 watt bulb instead of a 0 watt bulb. So it's a very easy example, and I think you will get it, because you, unless and until you create that energy in yourself, you cannot progress ahead. And I will give you a very simple technique for that. Just sit in front of mirror and try to fake that you are very happy. Try to fake that you are at your highest level. Try to fake your body language. Try to fake your thoughts, whatever you want to create, achieve in your imagination. And slowly, if you will practice it, you will notice that those thoughts are becoming things, because here are the mirror neurons. When you are sitting in front of mirrors, those neurons are getting stimulated, and those neurons are shaping your environment, your success, organizing your body also. So emotional people are more healthy because their whole body cells are organized. If you are angry, your body cells are angry. If you are depressed, your body cells are shrinked. So it's very simple. If you want to have that very organized effect, effect of divinity, effect of calm, effect of peacefulness, then you must have coherent brainwaves, synchronous brainwaves, and it's easy. It's easy. There are so many things with which we can use our synchronicity. Try to learn how to increase the serotonin level. Do exercise. Listen to the theta music. So there are different ways to enhance our synchronicity. The most important thing is your mind. Love what you do. Because have you observed that when you do the things which you love, you just forget the time, because you are not having any kind of pressure or any kind of a negative things. And when you are in a state of flow, then all the brain waves are in a synchronicity. So I must tell every teacher, every student, every person, corporate person, any person who wants to have success in their particular field, they must start with the synchronicity. All other things come later, because first synchronicity, then synchronicity creates health, and health creates success. So my dear friends, have a synchronicity in your mind, fire together and wire together.